Hey there, and welcome to another Canvas how-to. So for this Canvas how-to, I'm going to show you how to create a Teams meeting, which is a separate platform than Canvas, but create a Teams meeting on Canvas. And the way we're going to do that is by clicking Calendar, and I'm going to choose which classes I want to create a meeting for. So for the sake of this example, I am only going to use the Coaching Institute, which is a course I've been working in for these how-to videos. But if I wanted to select others, I can just add to it. Now, what you'll notice is when you go up to the Add button, you can select whichever calendar you're wanting to select. So Coaching Institute or DWT, but you can only choose one at a time. So I'm only going to do Coaching Institute for now. Go up here, click the Add button. Give it a title. I'm going to say Example Meeting. I'm going to ignore this for now. And I'm going to make sure my calendar is on the Coaching Institute. I'm going to click More Options. This is how we get it to link to Microsoft Teams. Because remember, Teams does not automatically update into Canvas. You have to use this text box here to get it there. So select this V button for more external tools. Scroll down, hit Microsoft Teams Meeting. A pop-up will come up. You might have to log in, but that's okay. If you do, go ahead and go through that process, and then you're going to get to this page. Make sure to click Create Meeting Link. Give it a title. I'm just going to say generic title for all meetings. And at this point, you want to make it within your school hours. So for example, I want my live sessions, and we're going to start it on Monday the 31st. I want it to start from 9:30 to 4. Now, if you want to get specific with it and actually type it in, you can. So, for example, our school hours are actually 9:40 to 4:10. You can do that if you want. Click Create. When you click Create, it looks like you're done, but not quite. As a teacher with students, it is so important when working with Microsoft Teams that you click Meeting Options right here before you hit Copy. Click Meeting Options. A new tab on your browser window will pop up, and you have these options. Please, please, please make sure you select Only Me on who can bypass the lobby. By selecting Only You, that means everybody that's coming in has to have your permission, and you have to let them into that virtual meeting. They can't just sit there and wait for you. Announce when callers join or leave, yes, and keep it no to always let callers bypass the lobby. That means they don't have to use the lobby if they're on a phone. And then who can present? This means a presenter has all the full functionality of Microsoft Teams. You want to be the only person that's presenting. This allows you to mute students. It allows you to control who's in and who's out of your meeting. It allows you to call in other members if you would like to invite them into your meeting. This allows you to be the one in control and in charge. If you select everyone or people in your organization or specific people, that means other people have your same capabilities as a presenter within Teams. Only me, only me. Click Save. Once you click Save, it says Done. So you're done on this screen. You can close this tab out, go back to your pop-up in Canvas, then you can click Copy. Once you click Copy, it is in here. It is automatically connected. You can use a different date for each section if you want. This allows you to schedule for different times. You can also duplicate. So this allows you to duplicate the meeting for several days. So I want to duplicate this meeting for every day for the next, we'll say, 31 days. Then you can give it the date. We'll just say the 31st is when this is going to start, because this is when face-to-face starts or online starts. And you will notice that the other sections that you added from the prior screen will be here. And that's if you selected the other sections and other courses. Remember, I'm only working in one. Then you select the start time. So let's say this first period course starts at 9:40 and it ends at, we'll say, 10:25. That means the link for this will only be available for that amount of time. The second part is if you selected other courses to add, then you can change these times to meet your schedule. Once you're done, click Create Event, and you will be redirected to your calendar. Now you notice here that it starts the 31st, and there is a meeting that repeats for the next 31 days. So if I was to click month of September, it's going to populate for the next 31 days. Here's the catch. There's Saturday and Sunday. You do have to go in and manually delete that section. So what you do, you can edit, more options, you can edit it, or you can fully delete it. It doesn't take long to delete at all, and that is up to you. You can leave it there if you don't feel like messing with it. But one of the important things to remember is that on Teams, you will be responsible for ending a meeting. That means you have to select End Meeting. By ending the meeting, you are kicking the students out. And that does not allow, by kicking them out, they are not allowed to stay in the virtual classroom. Therefore, they cannot communicate with each other and message each other and see videos of each other while you're not there. So be sure to end the meeting for all in Teams after every virtual class. And some of that is going to be covered in my other Microsoft Teams videos. So if you have questions about that, or you want to check out more about Microsoft Teams, go see those videos. But if you have something else, type a question or a comment below, and I will be sure to answer that as fast as I can and get back to you. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate that you are learning Canvas during this time. I know that it is tricky, and we are trying to figure out all the things. So please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or comments. I look forward to seeing them, and good luck with this fall semester and the first 9 weeks. We've got it. We can stick together, and we will make it. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.